mountains are beautiful on the outside, but inside we have a structural skeleton that's made of silicon bronze. So the copper and the bronze are never going to have a problem with corrosion or anything. So we needed this whole mountain to be supported internally. So we have one band going around the whole perimeter of the mountain. And then off of that band, we have a little spider web that meets to plates which will accept the aluminum posts. So internally, there's a whole bunch of work that you'll never see, but it's absolutely necessary to hold it up. It really is supporting itself, and the rock work eventually is, comes right up to that skin. But it's all completely self-supported by that silicon bronze skeleton inside the armature. Yeah, we have hoists in the shop, so we rigged up a structural system on the exterior of the top of the mountain, so we could hoist it up. We put it onto a cart and roll that around through the shop to the big garage door where we have another hoist. We can lift up heavy objects that way, and we put that right on Steve's truck. And we made up a platform on the bottom that had feet so that the skin of the copper wouldn't get crushed while it was in transport. And both of those external structural elements really made it possible to move it and hoist it, get it around. As we make these pieces, every little step along the way, you realize that this thing is getting more and more delicate and more fragile. And as long as it's in our home base, it feels pretty safe and secure. The moment we start to transport and do installation, it definitely gets a little hairy. Anytime it's on the back of a truck, you definitely worry about it a little bit. Steve placed his track hoe so that he could pull it off of the truck and position it over the basin. And I placed the aluminum posts underneath the mountain and bolted that down, bolted it up to the mountain, and then we had Steve just place it into the basin.